everyone, we're here at the beautiful marina at Marine Tech in South Walsham, and we have this very well presented Freeman 23 for sale. Now this Freeman 23 is a classic boat. She's built in 1970, and as you can see, very well presented and tidy. So we'll hop on board, but we'll just take a look around the boat. You have lots of cleats, and especially mid cleats as well, which is always important. Nice ensign and the fender bumpers. So a perfect practical first boat for someone, or if you're looking for a lovely day cruising on the Broads, take the canopy down, which is quite easy. Just undo the studs, folds back, and it's a lovely day cruiser, as well as staying on it, overnight. Canopy, good condition. That's something always to look out for. So no money needs to be spent there. But the previous owner just absolutely adored this boat and has kept it in extremely well nick. So yeah, we'll hop on board. So hop into the cockpit first. See, very traditional design with the helm's position. Got your Morse throttle, and then traditional steering wheel, and just the classic Freeman design. And as the captain, you've got a great view, and especially when that covers off, lovely, quite spacious as well. You've got the seating at the back here, the aft of the boat, and then your co-pilot seat, which just folds out. And then obviously your gauges, your temperature, RPM, battery, oil, and then some breakers down there, fire extinguisher for the boat's safety, and then your fridge, electric fridge, plenty of room in there, isolators. So we'll head on into the galley area of the boat. But first thing we can see, just very tidy and clean inside. We do love a tidy boat here at Marine Tech. Gas hob, oven and grill. So very, Freeman's always designed very well, very practical and simple as well. So your hob's there, just fold that down. So you can make your cups of tea, cups of coffee while you're traveling along. Sink is under here, so you just fold that up as well, and then some instructions on basically everything. And then you've got your UK sockets, so you can plug in your electric kettle or so. And then in here is the golden bit of the boat, because normally you see Freemans are petrol, and engines are what are they, BMC, and I can't fully think of the others on top of my head. But in here we have a Nanni engine, Nanni diesel, which is in very good condition. The previous owner has kept it extremely tidy and very clean. Everything checked and serviced. I believe the last service was I think it was 2022, and yeah, this was a brand new engine in 2017. So obviously an inboard diesel engine is perfect, and especially for the Broads as well. So that's another tick on this boat. So for use on the Broads, you go to a boatyard like this one here in South Walsham called Marine Tech. Fabulous boatyard. And you've got a fuel pump there, so they'll fill your boat up with diesel. So that's perfect. You don't have to worry about jerry cans, coming down to your boat. Not much of an issue now, petrol, but diesel's always just so much easier on the Broads. Now this slides in to make a double berth here. So then if you want to accommodate more people, you've got that double berth there. But then you go into the master cabin at the bow of the boat forward. So Here you've got, you know, stereo system as well. But yeah, very clean in the front here. The infill just there, which pops down, and another UK socket. Got some storage in here with just lots of different bits, and the curtains as well. They're obviously off at the moment because it's such a glorious day here in South Walsham. Now in here we have a cassette toilet. So you just open that like that, and yeah, you got a cassette toilet. I think it's so it's electric flush, so you know, a bit more modern than your average cassette. But yeah, you know, enough space in here, and just, you know, nice, practical, and easy to use. So yeah, that's the toilet. Push that close. So yeah, so we'll go out of the boat again, which, you know, nice final look from the inside here. Obviously plenty of space in the forward cabin, and you have this lovely kind of sunroof that just undoes here and then opens up. You know, nice hatch, lets in lovely fresh air, especially in the summer when things can get quite hot. So going through the boat, boat safety is until the end of this year, 2025. So you've still got the, you know, the summer to enjoy with the boat. She does have shore power as well, so 240-volt shore power just plugs into the back